Can you tell me? Monday, on the bank holiday, it was my birthday. Thank you for my present, Aunty Julie and Uncle Mathew and Henry and Bob. What's in the box? The tape's a bit tricky because it says Playmobil on it. Daddy, can you get the tape off? Did you know Playmobil has an A? I don't know. Whoa! Wait, let me get this out. Oh my God! Look what I got! Police station. The box is so heavy. It has a jail. I can see a robber that is bald. Daddy, this is the robber that is bald. Bald means that you don't have no hair. It also comes with a key to lock the prison, and it also comes with, guess what it comes with? 2 handcuffs. And there's also 2 policemen. One of them is a policewoman and one of them is a policeman. I'm gonna open this. I need to find the scissors. Wait, where is the scissors thing? Where's the scissors thing? Where's the scissors thing? Yeah. Playmobil. Whoa! Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to get everything out. Daddy, there's more things inside. This has so much pieces. Daddy, can I open the bags?
Yeah, open it.
I opened the instructions. I got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 bags. I need to do the instructions. This bit is the floor. I need these things. This one's not in right. This is supposed to be in an X, not a plus. But to wiggle. Can I open this bag? Oops. The base. The base. Base. Daddy, I don't know what this is. These red bits. We need only one of these. No, this is actually more smaller. Look. I'm gonna put this right here. Oops. I can't find it. It's the right thing. I opened the bag. Brick! An orange chair. I told you I could open it. There's a rat. This is a rat. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Squeak. Squeak, squeak. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. I know that it actually goes here. It goes here, so it can hang things. Like fire hydrant. Do this and then slide this in. And this is how you fix it. Oops. I found it. It's right in here. Oops. Everything is a oops. it doesn't go like that. It goes like this. Daddy, look. I know what we need to do now. Make the jail. This is for so that you can. So when the prisoner gets there, it's so for easier. So you can easier get the handcuffs. If you want to open it, it goes like this. Open, shut, open, shut. So this is a robber and he has to go in jail. So he will never ever get out. Daddy, did you know this robber set actually comes with a breakout wall? I'll show you which wall it is. It's this wall. This in. Doesn't want to go in like this. It worked. I know it worked. I don't know where the body of it is. Tricky, 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 tricky words. Don't let them trick you. Say hello to B. Hello, B. B, 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 B. Daddy, did you know B is actually a red word? Red words are words that you can't sound out. You just have to remember them. And you can't spell the out or I out or he out or she out. Wig, wig, wig. Ha ha. Did you know there's another one of these? The jail part. Oops, where does this go? You have to click it in. The wiggle. Police. Maybe every day they catch bad guys. There's a camera. Say cheese. Pew, 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 pew. Macaroni. Macaroni. It says that it goes here. I don't know. Because I know all bad guys get arrested. The next thing it says, do shelves. I think it goes a bit lower. This time we need to use those white bits. Give me a minute. I'm trying to find another one of these gels. I found it. It was right on the instructions. Daddy, does it go like this? Daddy, I found keys to lock the gels. Pika poopa pika. My hair got caught. My hair got caught in there. No, not yet. You have to do this now. Get this and put it on top. Daddy, I found a special bit. We forgot to put this police sign on. Did you know when a good guy grows up, they have to be something good? Recycling and getting fires out. There's nothing to clip it on. And it says handcuffs. I found the handcuffs. So the instructions say that it goes right here. So you can hang the handcuff And Daddy, I think all of this part is the jail. Now we need keys, and the keys go here. The instructions say put the keys all the way up here. Now I'm gonna do the next page. You need to slide this right in here. I can't do it. You have to put this in. So look. And I know that this goes right here. And this is where the telephone goes. We can't go yet next because we need to do something, the thing where they can talk. And it goes here. Did you know this comes with a bunk bed? It's for the bad guys to sleep in. I can't remember any of the dreams. I broke it. Daddy?
Yeah?
This was supposed to come with a ladder because this doesn't have a ladder. Because there was supposed to be a ladder because bunk beds have a ladder. Daddy? Wait, where's the coffee machine? Daddy, I know that the coffee machine goes here. There also has to be this that can actually hang. Because there has to be a place where this can hang. Daddy, did you know some policemen have guns? Remember one day we saw an American policeman and one of them had a special red jacket so to keep the road safe. Did you know some people call these handguns? The box says that this has to go in here for the music. Oops. Whoopsie noodles. Whoopsie noodles. I found 2 cups. One for the police boy and one for the police girl. I think did you know I think every night bad guys eat fish and chips. But I don't know where the torch goes. The police motorcycle doesn't. This is a police motorcycle, and this police motorcycle doesn't have a siren. Thank you for my birthday present, Uncle Mathew and Aunty Julie and Henry and Bob. I really like my Playmobil policeman station. This was what was in the box. This was what was in the box. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Thanks for watching. Love you and goodbye.